Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is the part 2 of the geography MCQ questions. So the topic is landforms and interior of the earth. So let's go to the first question without wasting the time. So first one is, it is a confined aquifer containing groundwater under negative pressure. It is a geologic layer of a porous but impermeable material such as sand and gravel, limestone or sandstone. So third, the Great Aegean Basin is the largest and deepest ocean basin in the world. So which one is correct? Only one is correct. Now second question. Consider the following statement about mountains passes. So which are the passes are there? Passes are often found just above the source of a river consisting a drainage divide. Second, passes provide a route between two mountain tops with a minimum of descent. Top of the pass is not suitable for buildings as it does not have any flat ground. So answer is 3. It means all are true. Now third, consider this statement below regarding the subtropical desert in the world. In subtropical desert in the world, we will see here that these deserts are located along the west coast of the continent. These are under the influence of subtropical high pressure belts. These are also influenced by the movement of cold oceanic current along the coast. So how many of the above statements are true is there? So all three are true. Now we will leave this long statement, we will cover in the next video, or in we will make a separate video for the long statements. Okay, so move on to next question. Consider the following statement about Kalahari Desert. So we will see. It is a semi-arid sandy savanna in the southern Africa. Named desert is located in its west. The only permanent river, the Okavango, flows into a delta in northwest. So which statement is correct? So all three are correct. Now sixth one we are seeing. This is also a long statement, we cover in the next video. So move on to seventh question. Identify the correct order of the process of a soil erosion from the following. Which one is correct statement? So the splash erosion and sheet erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion. Now we move on to next question. So here we will see in question number 9 that which one of the following statement with regards to volcanoes is not correct. So this one, Hawaii shield volcano are eroded by the streams that form deeply caved valley where slippery slopes held. So now match the following, which one is true. So Hunga volcano, Vinegas volcano, Kiano volcano, Mayon volcano, which are only 3 are correct. Right? Now move on to 11th question. Which of the following divides India into northern and southern parts? So Tropic of Cancer. So consider the following statement. The southwest monsoon originates in India due to which pressure? So 1 and 3 are correct. Low pressure in Punjab plains or equatorial low being filled by the descending air current. Good. Now move on to question number 13. We will see here which of the following are the reason for the formation of metamorphic rocks. Which one is correct? So all three are correct. That's high temperature, pressures or depth also. Changes take place in solid state also. Temperature greater than 150 degrees Celsius or less than 400 degrees Celsius. Now we will see the 14 number. Which of the following are true with respect of the sedimentary rocks? The rocks are deposited in layer. All types of particles are rocks wholly organic in nature. The rocks are not crystalline. Their structure is determined by the great pressure or a heat. So all are correct. Now move on to 50 number. 50 number is saying that which of the following is a match not correctly. Which are not correct? So I think this is, we eliminate this. This S waves is similar to the sound waves. This. Now 16 number we are saying that about 95% of an active volcano occurs at a, where it occurs. These 4 are both correct. In plate subduction also, transform faults also, islands also, mid-oceanic regions also. Good. Now 17th question. Earthquakes are important in landform studies because they are trigger catastrophic events like, all three are correct. Landslides also, in mud flows also, glacier surges also, tsunami also, damages are causing and many things are happens. Good. So now question number 18 we will see. Which one among the following best explains the reason for the eastern and western boundaries of the Pacific Ocean experiencing frequent earthquake? Which one is correct? So this margins coincide with the plate margins. We will eliminate the questions by reading them. Okay, so you have to make some practice for this technique. So plate tectonics is a scientific theory that describes the large scale motion of the earth lithosphere. Which one among the following statements regards plate tectonic is not correct? Which one is not correct? We will see here. The tectonic plates are composed on the oceanic lithosphere, thicker continental lithosphere. No. Tectonic plates are able to move? No, because the Earth's lithosphere has highest tension, so this was totally wrong. The Earth lithosphere is broken up into tectonic plates? No. Along divot plate? Yes. Boundary subductions carries plate into the mantle? Yes, it's true. Now last question we will see. After that we will move on to part 3 in next video. So last one we will see that which one of the following would have happened if the Himalayas did not exist? So North Indian plain would have been much cooler in the winter, right? So thank you so much. Have a nice day. I hope you all like this video.